and welcome to the channel. Today I am so excited to share with you some tips about whether you're about to sell your home or buy a new home. I'm actually on my way out to an open house today, and this is a house that I actually showed last weekend, and I hadn't actually been in it before. And after walking the floor plan, I realized that there were some things that buyers or sellers should be aware of. Now the thing is that if you are a home buyer and you're going out and you're looking to purchase a new home and you don't see what I see, these are things that could show up in your life and just kink the energy. I always liken our lives to a kinked hose. You know, if you've ever tried to water the garden or wash your car and the water's just trickling out, you know that the hose is kinked, right? So that means you have to go over and unkink the hose so it starts working properly. That's basically what Feng Shui is. The idea is to make sure that Qi is just meandering and flowing and fluffy. And if it's not doing that, it's going to affect your life. It's going to show up in your energy field, and it's also going to affect personal areas of your life, like your career, maybe relationships, health, and the list goes on and on. So these are three things that I saw in this house that could potentially distract from a buyer purchasing this home, which ultimately affects the seller. So if you're listing a home and you don't know about these energy kinks, it could prevent a buyer from wanting to purchase your home because those energy kinks are preventing them from wanting to say yes. And then if you're buying the home, you're about to go into a couple of booby traps is what I would call them. So what I want to do today is take you on this open house with me and show you three potential things that could prevent this transaction from being smooth. Or, you know, this transaction from being a happy experience. And that's what this is all about. We want Feng Shui to help you get that energy right. Because a beautiful home with beautiful energy is how you get a beautiful life and a beautiful space. So I want to make sure that these are things that you're looking for. If you're about to list your home or you're going out and you're trying to buy a home, this could be a potential thing where it throws a monkey wrench in the process. All right? So I'm going to take you with me today and I'm going to show you these three things. Are you ready? Let's do it. How was that? Isn't that cool? I think what's so great is that every time you go into any type of process, whether you're buying a new home, about to sell your home, heck, if you're about to decorate your home, you have to take into consideration the energy. You have to take into consideration how that Qi is flowing or not flowing in your life. So these are things that you want to take into consideration. It's the whole reason why I started my firm with design that's energy aligned, to make sure that you get the energy right the first time. So this was such a great example of how this home, which has been sitting on the market for over a year, is likely detracting from buyers being attracted to the home because there's energy kinks in it. And so it's ultimately affecting the seller because he can't sell the home. So that is where Feng Shui comes into play and helps you get that energy right so that the seller and the buyer are happy. Beautiful! It creates an amazing experience, which is exactly what we want. Pretty cool, right? All right, everyone, I hope that you've enjoyed this video today and I hope that it helps. Be sure to head on over to my website at Gates Interior Design to learn more about me, or you can sign up for a floor plan reading. I do this energy stuff from all over the world. Most of my services are virtual. That's pretty cool too, right? And don't forget to check out my podcast, Home Energy Design. It's available on iTunes and Stitcher. And hit that button below to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks everyone, and hey, trust the vibe, because the energy never lies.